Hey everyone! First, we're going to download and install JDK. Search for Oracle JDK. And click download Oracle, this one. Scroll down. We'll get the latest version Java 19. This one here. Scroll down. And what we need is macOS. Just click this. And x64dmg installer. Click this download link. Give it a time, it should be quick. Alright, now open this. Just open the download DMG to install. This is the JDK package. Just open this one to install. Click continue. And click install. Just provide your password to authorize to install the software. Then it's install the software. Alright, JDK is now installed. We'll verify it later. Close this and move to trash. Alright, let's go to the next step. We're going to download and install Visual Studio Code pack for Java. So we just need to search for Visual Studio for Java. And there you go. Java and Visual Studio Code. Click this. Alright, we just need to scroll down. And we're going to download the coding pack for Java macOS. This is the bundle for Visual Studio Code, JDK, and suggested extensions. Alright, just click install. And give it some time to download. Open the downloaded file. Open this coding pack for Java. Open. Open. Then here, just click next. Then, since we just installed the latest JDK and I already have Visual Studio Code, it will skip and not install them. It will only install the Java extensions. You see it here in actions. This is the suggested extensions. Now click install. And it is installed. Click finish. It will launch Visual Studio Code. And here we are. Welcome to Visual Studio Code. However, before we do some tests, I would like to show you how to check our Java installation and set Java home using the terminal. First, we're going to check the Java version. So you just need to type java -- version. And it will show you what Java version you have. Alright, we got Java 19.0.2. Next, we're going to verify what shell we are using. This will have us determine which shell profile or file we need to add our environment variable Java home. We just need to simply say echo $0. Right, we're using the macOS default shell, C shell. Now we have that established, we just need to get the Java home path. And to do that, you just need to execute this command. It will give you the Java home path. /user library exec Java home. And enter. There you go. This is the path we need. Remember that. You can copy it now or you can just copy it later. It's up to you. Our next step, we just need to be in our user home directory, current user home directory. As I am already here, I will just need to list the files, including the hidden ones. We need to modify or edit the .z chrc file to add the Java home. I will include the command I use in the video description. export Java home equals. Alright, we need to copy that Java home path. Copy. And paste it here. Just remove this. Save your changes. We need to close this terminal and open a new one. This will ensure that the changes we made in, let's say, shrc is loaded as environment variable. And to check that, just do echo $Java home. Enter. There you go. Java home is now set. Alright, let's go back to Visual Studio Code. And I'm going to show you that Java has been set up to run in Visual Studio Code. I will create a test folder in desktop. New folder. And just name it test. Click create. And open. Select this folder. And just confirm you trust the authors. Just check that. Okay. Now let's code a simple Java program to test it. And we're going to compile and run it after. Open a new terminal inside Visual Studio Code. We can compile and run Java here. Let's do a quick check. Start with Java home. Echo Java home. Good, we have it. Then ensure we get the right version. Good as well. Now let's create a test Java program. Just a basic one that we can compile and run. Name it test.java. We just print out a simple message. Print line, hello Java world. Alright, let's compile test.java first. Java, test.java. Enter to compile. Good, no error. Now let's run test.java. Java test. There you go. It runs successfully. We got hello Java world. Alright, you're good to go. Java is now set and working in Visual Studio Code. You can also explore Java project and start your Java journey. You can also add more extensions you are interested with. Alright, you can always do more. Thank you for watching.